气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, 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 it's time for Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
Joseph，
喂
我考你接出差
哦，常常啊，因为我们电台会办活动，那就教这些的啊。Okay, how do you say 出差 or business trip?
出差
出差 OK, 那我的话是这礼拜六要出差台南办活动。
下礼拜六
礼拜六
我出差
我出差
台南潘發通。
台南潘發通。OK, 潘發通就办活動，是不是 ？OK, 發通 that means an event, and we're going to do an event.
那我呢？今本日我出差台中拜訪銀客。
哦，对，你是要去拜访什么
客户，
对不对？銀客 that's to visit clients. Awesome! There are so many phrases we need to review, including 出差 business trip,
出差
出差 and then to do an event, hold an event, 办活動
潘發通
潘發通 and then to visit clients, 拜訪客户
拜訪銀客。
拜訪銀客 There you go. Happy business trip. And that does it for today's Daily Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.